Take few seconds to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon button so you will get all notification of our latest updates. In today's video, we will show you how to stop a toothache instantly. After these toothache home remedies, you will get instant tooth pain relief at home. Follow this video until the end, so you'll get the best solution of it. A toothache can be excruciating, making you miserable and interfering with your daily routine. Aside from the pain in the tooth itself, you may experience other symptoms of mild fever, swelling in the area of the infected tooth, or a sore jaw. Here are some common causes of a toothache, including inflammation of the dental cavity as a result of tooth decay, gum disease, dental injuries, wisdom teeth, sharp pain, usually associated with exposed root surfaces, can cause a toothache. We have natural remedies for a toothache which can get help to ease the pain. Let's begin. Number 1. First of all, clean your mouth thoroughly daily. Because sometimes toothaches are caused by small pieces of food that have gotten lodged in our tooth and are exacerbating the pain of cavities or gingivitis. When this is the cause, cleaning your mouth thoroughly every day can go a long way toward eliminating the tooth pain and making the problem go away. Tooth cleaning is one of the best ways to ease the pain if gingivitis causes your toothache. Brush your teeth for a few minutes, concentrating on the painful area. Then finish the cleaning by using mouthwash to rinse away dislodged particles by pouring a few drops of bee propolis into a half of a glass of water and use this to clean your mouth. Repeat this routine twice every day and keep using it after the pain subsides. Number 2. Rinse your mouth with a warm saline solution. The first thing you can do at home to ease the pain of a toothache is to rinse out your mouth salt water. One of the most common causes of a toothache is an infection, and salt can work as a cleaning agent that tackles the epidemic. Salt can draw fluids from the site of the disease, relieving tension in the soft tissues and reducing pain. Number 3. Try garlic or onion. Both of these common vegetables are traditional folk remedies for toothache pain relief and are thought to have antibacterial properties. They may give you bad breath, but they'll help to kill harmful germs in the mouth and can offer temporary relief. Instructions: wedge a clove of garlic between your sore tooth or gum and cheek. Hold it there until the pain subsides. Second method with onion. Cut a small piece of onion and place it on your affected tooth. It will also help in toothache pain relief. Number 4. Cayenne pepper and ginger paste. If your teeth are painful or sensitive, a paste made from ground red pepper, powdered ginger, and water can be applied directly to the infected teeth to relieve the pain. They seem to work even better when used together like painkillers. Instructions: combine a pinch of red pepper with a pinch of powdered ginger in the bottom of a cup. Add a few drops of water until you can stir the ingredients together into a paste. Dip a sterile cotton ball in the paste. Place the cotton directly on the tooth and hold it there until the pain subsides, or as long as you can stand it. The paste will probably be unpleasant. Number 5. Numb the area using cloves. Cloves are an old standby most effective remedy for toothaches, as they have a natural numbing effect and are also good at killing bacteria. You can use whole cloves, ground cloves, or clove oil to get rid of your tooth pain. Instructions: if you are using ground cloves, clean your hands and then apply a pinch of ground cloves between the pain gum and cheek. As the cloves combine with your saliva, they will begin to numb the surrounding tissue. For whole cloves, use clean hands to place 2 or 3 cloves in your mouth near the pained area. Gently chew the cloves after your saliva softens them, then release the oils. Number 6. Use turmeric to ease your toothache. Turmeric is not only a fragrant spice used in the kitchen. It contains curcumin, an active ingredient that is responsible for lowering the histamine level, which in turn can help to reduce pain. Instructions: Take 8 ounces of boiling water, dissolve 5 grams of turmeric, 2 cloves of garlic and 2 dried guava leaves. Boil this mixture for about 5 minutes. Pass the mixture through a sieve to strain it. Let it cool, then rinse your mouth with the turmeric solution for 2 minutes to relieve pain. Number 7. Try oil pulling for toothache. Oil pulling really useful in tooth pain relief because there are claims that this reduces many harmful bacteria in the mouth. When you swish it, the bacteria get stuck in the oil. Swishing oil in between the teeth can remove bacteria. We are using coconut oil because coconut oil is a fantastic carrier for it. Swish 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for about 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, spit out the oil into a garbage can. Do not swallow it, you will be consuming the bacteria in the oil if you drink it. You also should not put oil in the drain, as it can harden and cause it to clog. If done oil pulling daily, it could remove some tooth staining and reduce plaque and bacteria. Oil pulling regularly also will never develop a toothache. Number 8. Apply peppermint tea bags. Peppermint tea bags have mild numbing properties that can ease the pain for a short time. Most people recommend that to cool tea bags in the freezer for a couple of minutes before use. Now you have learned how to stop a toothache instantly at home with these natural toothache home remedies. I hope you find this video helpful. If yes, then please press the like button below and share it with your friends. Make sure you subscribe us because we are making daily DIY related videos every single day. If you have a request for a video, so please be sure to leave it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.